Amidst the opposition uproar in Rajya Sabha, Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia briefed the House on Omicron preparedness. Mandavia said that the government has learned from the first and second wave and is ready for any future COVID surge. Take a look.
With the United Kingdom clocking its highest number of daily COVID cases, India is bracing for a possible Omicron surge. The country has reported more than 160 cases of infections caused by the super mutant. The Health Minister on Monday informed Parliament that the government is ready with an action plan to tackle any surge.
आने वाले दिनों में देश में कोविड क्राइसिस बढ़े और केस बढ़े तो उसके लिए भी प्रिपेयरनेस हमने पहले से करके रखी है। कोविड केस रिपोर्ट करने के लिए और ज़्यादा टेस्टिंग करने के लिए जीनोम सीक्वेंसेस बढ़ाने के लिए 38 लैब आज काम कर रही है।
The government has taken lessons from the deadly second wave of COVID seriously. From buffer stocks of medicines to ventilators, the Health Ministry has assured proactive measures to tackle a new wave if it happens.
फर्स्ट वेव और सेकंड वेव से हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा भी है और सीखने के बाद आने वाले दिनों में देश में कोविड क्राइसिस बढ़े और केस बढ़े तो उसके लिए भी प्रिपेयरनेस हमने पहले से करके रखी है। इसलिए हमने कोविड पैकेज 2 डिक्लेयर किया। 23,000 करोड़ रुपीस का पैकेज 2 के माध्यम से ये पैसे सभी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को दिया है।
India has so far double vaccinated 56% of its eligible population. But with studies indicating 2 doses do not provide enough protection against Omicron, many states are demanding booster doses.
दिल्ली में हमने लगभग 99% लोगों को फर्स्ट डोज दे दी है, 70% लोगों को सेकेंड डोज दे दी है। हम चाहते हैं कि अब बूस्टर डोज अलाउ की जाए। इस बारे में केंद्र सरकार परमिशन देता है, तो मेरी केंद्र सरकार से निवेदन है कि जो लोग 2 डोज ले चुके हैं उनको बूस्टर डोज देने की इजाज़त दी जाए।
Omicron poses new risks ahead of the new year. The holiday season is bound to witness large gatherings, and that could provide the super mutant a free run. Amidst the din in the House, the government has told Parliament today that it is doing all it can to, in fact, prepare for an upsurge in cases. By its own estimate, the government says up to 14 lakh cases will be seen in a day, given the manner in which COVID protocol is being violated and given the transmissibility potential of Omicron. The government, however, says that it is procuring oxygen and also ensuring hospital preparedness to avoid the horrors of the second wave. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
A rise in Omicron cases worldwide and raises several questions about India's COVID fight and what to expect in the coming days. India Today's Sneha Mordani spoke to the head of National COVID Supermodel Committee, Professor Vidya Sagar and Professor Manindra Agarwal. Here is an excerpt from that interview.
Professor Vidya Sagar, do give our viewers an idea about what to expect when it comes to Omicron. When will cases start to increase? And what's the maximum that we can see? The government in its own estimation has said expect up to 14 lakh cases a day.
In the most pessimistic scenario, which is you have totally lost any vaccine protection and the natural immunity due to prior exposure to Delta is eroding very quickly, we foresee a peak of something like 1.5 to 1.8 lakh cases per day happening somewhere towards the end of February.
Okay. Give us an idea about how long will this trend of surge in cases, 1 lakh, 1.8 lakh, last essentially? How many weeks before the cases start to dip again? Is that something that you're projecting as well?
Yes. In fact, it will be a very, very sharp peak, very quick rise followed by very sharp decline. Again, as Professor Agarwal has pointed out, we can look at South Africa as a model. They had peaked in just under 3 weeks. And now the number of daily cases in South Africa is 33% lower than the peak. So that means a sharp drop in cases in just 1 week's time from the peak. The number of people who were infected in the second wave was only about 20% more than in the first wave.
Okay.
about 15 lakhs in 1.5 crore in the first wave and 1.8 crore in the second wave.
All right.
But the point is they were concentrated very sharply. The third wave will be even more concentrated and there won't be so many people.